Hello, welcome back to the Mad Graphics Code. I am Pacific 3D Game Engine programmer. Today I'm going to show you how can you use advanced lighting in your game engines or even advanced lighting controlling. I'm going to show you this is the game assets. It was designed in the FreeCAD software, and so this is the game engine code. This is the game engine code. This is the drawings code. I'm going to showing you how can you use advanced lighting in your game engine programming. Let's execute our game code. Let's execute our game code. This is the launching of game engines. Yeah, this is the game engine model. I'm going to show you how can you use advanced lighting. This is here for controlling the suns. Here I can control the luminance of the sun, as you see. Yes, and so in your game code I have using the mountain terrain, as you see. Let's back to the game code here. Amazing, this is the terrains in game code. Even can select the terrains here. Let's take the model. Let's resume our game code. And so here you can change the lighting of game engines, as you see. You can even remove the engine here. You can decrease the lighting color, and so here you can change the sun controlling its color. Yeah, you can change the sun color. Let's rotate our graphics code. Yes, especially this engine was written in C++. This is the process of how can you controlling the lighting in your game engines, in your 3D game engines. You can change even the sun directions for your game engines code. This is the CAD view. Can view the objectives in CAD images as like modern softwares. This is the survey point. Can view what code as survey. This is the selections of the model. Yeah, especially these engines is written in C++. Let's pause my video